Okay, so ang sasagutan natin ngayon is yung ating quiz in finding the coordinates. Okay, so in this quiz, we have this given rectangular coordinates with corresponding points. And then, kailangan natin i-determine kung ano yung mga coordinates ng ating mga given points here, no? So, starting with problem number 1, we need to find the coordinates for point A. So, ito yung ating point A. So, i-determine natin kung ano yung mga coordinates niya. So, alam naman natin na this is an ordered pair, no? So, hindi pwedeng magkabaliktad yung ating X and Y coordinates. So, we will start with our X coordinates. So, ito ang ating origin. So, we need to find the X coordinate of our point A. So, it is on the left side of our origin. So, we have to move from the origin to the left. And we have to count how many units will be there in order to reach this point, no? Because this is the value of our X coordinate. So, we will have to move 1, 2, 3, 4 to the left. Okay? So, as you can see, we have to move 4 units to the left, which means this is a negative value because going to the right is positive and going to the left is negative. Therefore, our X coordinate is negative 4. And now to determine our Y coordinate, it is located above, no? So we need to move 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 units upward. So therefore, our Y coordinate is equal to 4. So now let's go to problem number 2. And in problem number 2, we need to determine the coordinates of point B. So ito yung point B natin. So first, i-determine natin yung ating X coordinate. So we need to move 1 unit to the right. Okay, so therefore, our X coordinate is equal to 1. And now, for our Y coordinate, we need to move upward. How many units? 1, 2, 3. 3 units upward. So therefore, it is positive 3. Okay, now, going to problem number 3, we need to find the coordinate of point C. Ito yung ating point C. Nandito siya. Okay, so unahin natin yung X coordinate. We need to move to the left. So, how many units to the left? 1, 2 units to the left. So, since papunta siya sa left, so it is negative. So, therefore, our value for X coordinate for point C is negative 2. Okay, and para naman sa ating Y coordinate, we need to move downward, no? And we will move 1 unit downward. So, kung downward, it will be a negative value. So, therefore, our Y coordinate is equal to negative 1. Now, going to problem number 4. And we need to determine the location of our point D. Nasaan ba yung point D natin? Ito ang ating point D. Okay? So, it is on the right side of our origin. So, we need to move to the right. And we will be moving 1 unit to the right. So, dahil nasa right siya, it will be positive. So, our X coordinate will be positive 1. And now, para naman sa ating Y coordinate, we need to move downward, no? So, how many units did we move? Papunta dito sa ating point D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units down. So, dahil downward siya, so it will be negative. So, it will be negative 5. Okay? So, now, going to problem number 5, kung saan ang hahanapin natin is yung point E. Ito yung ating point E. So, unahin natin yung ating X coordinate, which is going to the right. Okay, so dahil going to the right, that means our value will be positive. So, ilang unit ang ating minove? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 5 units to the right. And that will be positive. So, our answer is positive 5. So, para naman sa ating Y coordinate, we will be moving downward. So, ilang unit? 1 unit downward. So, since it is downward, therefore, it is negative. So, our answer here will be negative 1. Okay? In problem number 6, we need to find the coordinates for point F. So, ito yung ating point F. We need to find the coordinates. So, unahin natin yung ating X coordinate. And we need to move to the right. And we move 2 units to the right, which is positive. Therefore, our answer will be positive 2. Now, finding the y-coordinate, it's already here, no? Hindi ka na kailangan pang mag-move upward or downward. So, therefore, you don't need to do anything. So, our value will be 0. Okay, so that's our point F coordinates. Okay, so now going to problem number 7, we're going to find the coordinates of point G. Ito yung ating point G. So, unahin natin yung ating x-coordinate. So, is it on left or right side of our origin? No, it stays on this location, no? So, hindi ka na pupunta sa kanan or kaliwa. So, therefore, we don't need to do anything. So, our x-coordinate is equal to 0. And for our y-coordinate, we need to move upward. So, we move upward 1 unit. Okay? So, since it is upward, therefore, our unit will be positive. So, our answer will be positive 1. Okay, so now going to problem number 8, in which ang hahanapin natin is yung coordinates ng point H. So, ito yung ating point H. So, unahin natin yung x-coordinate. So, from the origin, we need to move to the left. And since it's going to the left, therefore, our answer will be negative. So, how many units did we move? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, 4 units to the left, therefore, our answer is negative 4. Okay? And now, para naman sa ating y-coordinate, so, you don't need to move up or down dahil nandito na tayo sa eksaktong point na to. And that means it is on our x-axis. So, therefore, our y is equal to 0. And then, we have point I para sa ating number 9. Our point I is located here, dito sa pinakakanto. No? So, let us determine yung ating x-coordinate. So, it is on the left side of our origin. So, we need to move to the left. So, how many units did we move? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 5 units, and since it's going to the left, therefore, our value will be negative. So, our answer is negative 5. And then, for our y-coordinate, we need to move downward. Okay, so, since it is downward, our answer will be negative. So, ilang units? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, our answer will be negative 5. Okay? And now for our last point, which is number 10, point J. So, nasan yung ating point J? Ito yung ating point J. So, unahin natin yung ating x-coordinate. So, we need to move to the left. So, ilang units? 1, 2 units. Okay? So, we move 2 units to the left. And dahil going to the left, that means our value is negative. So, our answer is negative 2. And para naman sa ating y, we need to move upward, and we move 2 units. 2 units upward, therefore our answer is positive. So our y is equal to positive 2. So ito yung mga answers natin para sa ating quiz, and I hope you got the correct answers.